Hello and welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some low-calorie blueberry muffins. So the first ingredients, what we're going to need is some coconut flour. You can use regular flour if you want, but I use the coconut flour, a little bit less in calories, more fiber in it. This one has 5 grams of fiber. So with this, we're going to need about 14 grams. So you're going to want 14 grams of your coconut flour. After your coconut flour, we're going to use 184 grams or 4 servings, and I use liquid egg whites. So I'm going to use 4 servings of this, or 184 grams. And definitely make sure that you do invest in getting a food scale. For making all these, it's going to be so much easier to actually do this with your food scale. So 10-15 bucks to buy a food scale is definitely worth it when you're trying to make all these low-cal recipes and you're trying to stay low calorie, hit your macros. Very small investment for 10-15 bucks, it ain't that bad. Next we're going to use stevia or any no calorie sweetener, Splenda, stevia, whatever you want to use. And we're going to put in 12 grams of the stevia. Next up, we're going to use unsweetened applesauce. And we're going to use half a cup. So definitely make sure you're getting the unsweetened applesauce. Only 50 calories. And half a cup is 123 grams. Next, you're going to want baking soda, and we're just going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of this. Sorry, 1/4 tablespoon we're going to use. So 1/4 tablespoon baking soda. There's the oven getting ready, preheated to 350 degrees. So after that, last thing we're gonna want to add is you're gonna want a vanilla whey protein, vanilla any kind of protein. I am all out of vanilla, so what I'm gonna be using is just rule 1. I'm gonna be using a cookie and cream. I'm gonna see how this comes out, but ideally you'd want to use vanilla. But I'm a fan of cookies and cream, so I think it'll be alright. After your 1 scoop of that, that will be all your ingredients. Get your whisk, mix it all together. And this right here should give you enough to make 12 muffins. In a regular baking dish, or you can use the ones that's smaller. You can make mini muffins. You can make 24 mini muffins if you want to do mini muffins, but I'm going to be using this baking pan right here. I'm going to make 12 muffins. Whisk it all together. And then, like I said, I'm going to add a cup of blueberries. I put about half in there, and then the other half when I'm getting it in there, so I can evenly spread them out a little bit better. So that's pretty good right there. There's your mix. Make sure you get some spray butter, olive oil, anything 0 calorie spray so it doesn't stick. Spray your pan. So like I said, it makes about 12 decent sized muffins or 24 small ones. And you want to fill about each one up about half in the pan. If you do about half in each one, You'll get 12 out of it. And then any of the ones that you see that you want to add a little bit more blueberries to, throw your blueberries in there. And you can add as many blueberries as you want or not. It's just going to add a little bit more calories. A cup does you well. And you'll see some of them will be a little bit bigger than the other, but that's alright. Alright, there you go. There's 12 of them. Set the oven to 350. I'm going to put them in for about 10 to 15 minutes and check them out. Now with the breakdown with that, you got the 4 servings of this will be 100 calories. You have the 1 serving of the coconut flour, that's 60 calories. The 1 serving of the unsweetened applesauce, that's 50 calories. You have the whey protein, and depending on what whey protein you're going to use, you're around anywhere from 100 to 160 depending on different types of brands and all that kind of stuff, but this one only has 130 calories. And then the blueberries, a cup of blueberries, which depending on what kind of blueberries, and they're all going to come up a little bit different, but it came up to 1 cup, 70 calories. So for this whole thing, if you eat all 12 of those muffins with everything that I put out right here, it would only be 410 calories for the whole thing. So 12 muffins, 410 calories, not too shabby at all. So there you go, here's the finished product. And with these, I baked them for about 20 minutes. If you're going 24 muffins and you're going to use one of the smaller ones, that's when you want to do about 10 to 15 minutes. They're going to cook a lot faster since they're smaller. Since I went 12, I'd say anywhere from 18 to 25 minutes depending on how golden brown you want them. So I went about 20 minutes on this at 350 degrees. And again, so here's the breakdown. Typed it all into MyFitnessPal. 100 calories for the egg whites. Coconut flour, 60 calories. Unsweetened applesauce, 50. Whey protein, 130. And then the blueberries, 70. 410 calories, 41 carbs, 5 grams of fat, and 48 grams of protein. And all these blueberry muffins. So again, thank you very much for watching my videos. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the bell button so you're notified of any new videos that come out. And have a great day.